Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix the error. There was a problem sending a verification code when you're trying to confirm your YouTube account. Let's begin. First, I want you to open the verification page on your YouTube studio. Then once you're on this section, choose your country first and then enter your phone number in the exact same format shown under the field, including the brackets if they appear, which is going to be your area code and then following your phone number. Okay. Now, instead of selecting the text me the verification code, choose call me with an automated voice message instead. Then answer the call from Google, write down the numbers, the automated voice reads to you. This is gonna be your verification code. Then you can now go back, return to the page, enter the codes, and complete the verification process. And that's it. You have now successfully fixed the issue and verified your channel. Now, if this doesn't work, then the next step would be to contact YouTube customer service or support. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.